Across India, many young women are silently struggling with PCOS and PCOD. These hormonal disorders are affecting more girls between the ages of 15 and 25. The rise is linked to changing lifestyles, poor diets, stress, and a lack of awareness. Symptoms are often ignored or misunderstood, which leads to delayed diagnosis and health complications later. As reported on June 9, 2025 by Business Standard, health experts estimate that PCOS affects between 3.7% and 22.5% of Indian women. Globally, the condition affects around 8 to 13% of women of reproductive age. PCOD and PCOS are often used as the same term, but they are different. PCOD, polycystic ovarian disease, causes the ovaries to produce many immature eggs that turn into cysts. This leads to irregular periods, hormonal imbalance, and sometimes painful menstruation. It is more common and less severe than PCOS. Many women with PCOD are still able to conceive with some help. PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, is a broader hormonal disorder. It can include irregular or missed periods, weight gain, excessive hair growth, and acne. Some women may have cysts on their ovaries, while others may not. PCOS also increases the risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart problems. It can also lead to infertility and mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Many women go undiagnosed for years. A study from PGIMER Chandigarh found that 45% of women with PCOS knew very little about it even after starting treatment. Only 9% got information from their doctors. A large number had to visit several doctors or search the internet to understand their condition. This confusion often leads to stress and mistrust in the medical system. Another major concern is the social stigma around menstrual and reproductive health. In many families, periods are not openly discussed. Girls are taught to silently bear pain. This silence makes it harder to seek help or talk about symptoms. As a result, diagnosis is often delayed until more serious problems arise. There is no permanent cure for PCOS or PCOD, but they can be managed. Regular exercise, balanced meals, reduced sugar, better sleep, and stress management can help restore hormonal balance. Even small lifestyle changes can improve symptoms. Open conversations, early diagnosis, and routine checkups can make a big difference. With the right support, women can manage these conditions and lead healthy life.